Find S algorithm steps. The number one step is initialize hypothesis. Start with the most specific hypothesis. This hypothesis is one that requires all attributes to match any possible value, typically represented by a special symbol like the null set, or by setting all attribute constants to the most specific possible values. Second step is iterate through training examples. For each training example X, if the example X is positive, compare X with the current hypothesis H. If H does not cover X, H is too specific, then generalize H just enough to cover X. This is done by replacing any constant in H that is not satisfied by X with the next. Now, if the example X is negative, do nothing. The algorithm ignores negative examples. Third step, output. After processing all training examples, the final resulting H is the most specific hypothesis consistent with the positive examples. Find a hypothesis by find S. So we are going to solve an example based on the find S algorithm. We will apply the find S algorithm to the given dataset to the most specific hypothesis consistent with all positive examples. Number first, we will start by initializing H with the first positive examples. So we have 5 attributes such as origin, manufacturer, color, decade and type, and we have class which has the values positive or negative. So we will consider only the positive values. We will discard the negative values. The negative value does nothing. So let's start. The first value in the table is Japan, Honda, Blue, 1980 economy and it's positive. So we are going to consider it. Now we are going to initialize the hypothesis. So H0 is equals to Japan, Honda, Blue, 1980 and economy. Now we will move to the next example, the next row of the table, but the class of that row is negative. So it does nothing. Our hypothesis remains unchanged. It's the same as the previous one. Now see the third row where the class is positive. So we are going to consider that example. So it has values such as Japan, Toyota, Blue, 1990, economy. So as we can see that the Japan value is same. The Honda and Toyota values are differ from each other, and the blue color is same, and the years also differ, as in the previous hypothesis it is 1980 and in the current hypothesis it is 1990. So comparison, H